2006 Toyota Sequoia, 86,000 original miles, no accidents, all original, alloy wheels, tires are in wonderful condition, running boards. Not a door ding on the vehicle. Tow package. Everything works. Timing belt, water pump have been changed. Needs nothing cosmetically, mechanically. Fog lights. Always been in Texas. No rust. Leather seats. Power seats. JBL sound. We have the owner's manual, both sets of keys, the rear window works, moonroof, third row seats that fold up. Sorry about that. (2006) Toyota Sequoia, 86,000 miles, in wonderful condition.